Are you online? It's kind of funny because you hardly ever hear that anymore. Everyone just assumes you're online. They also assume that everything that they want to ask about or know about or learn about is also online. But what does online mean, really? My name's Patty Keith West. And today I'm going to hopefully get you started on learning all of the complexities that go on in order for you to be online. Well, online really means that you are connected to a network. Usually, a network that is participating in the global internet. So basically your device, my device, any end-user device is actually connected to another group of devices, so that between me and you there may be 40, 50,100 different paths that my message from me to you can take. What you see on the table in front of me are some of the devices that might be included. We have end-user devices. I might be on my laptop, you might be on your cell phone, or we might be making an IP phone call. In any case, all of our communications between source and destination, you and me, are intermediary devices. These devices determine the path that your communication is going to take on its way to me, and mine back to you. All of these networks are managed independently, meaning that different companies and different carriers and different providers own and manage and maintain their part of the network. Say I'm at work. When I'm at work, my work network might include 30, 40 different types of devices, and those devices then connect to the global internet. You'll notice that I drew it on the diagram as a cloud. That's because I really don't know what the network structure looks like within the internet. I only know my little piece, the part that's owned and managed by my company. Now, the internet doesn't really belong to anyone as a global entity. What the internet is it is a cooperation between all of the people that own the various networks, and these are networks that go from being very very small like a home network or a small office network, to a medium-sized small business network or small enterprise, to the global carriers like AT&T and Verizon. So those networks, the managers and administrators of those networks agree to share a common set of rules and a common set of protocols, which is what we call rules in networking. A common set of protocols that enable communications that originate on one company's network to be able to pass through or go to destinations that are located on another network. Now, other participants in the global internet are educational institutions, governments, and corporations and companies of all various sizes. There's a lot going on between you and me in order to enable us to be online. One of the goals of this course is to actually help you untangle some of the complexity that is involved in communications between me and you over the global internet. It's also to help you be able to build and understand how small networks work.